Prospective cannabis investors walk away due to slow pace of development. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air at Television Jamaica, TVJ International in the Cayman Islands, and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug. Also this evening, consult them. Education Ministry warns public schools to include stakeholders when developing dress codes. And shoot to kill when confronted by armed criminals. Security Minister again encourages police. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.